Hi, I am Palumi. I'll be showing you what Darfera AI does and how to use Darfera AI. So we all know that every day people waste hours reading documents that they barely understand, which could be lecture notes, contract reports, meeting reports, or any form of PDFs. But what if instead of reading everything, you could just ask your document questions and get your answers directly? So that is exactly what Darfera AI does. So Darfera AI redefine how people interact with information. So instead of reading more, you understand faster and better, and then you can ask Darfera AI any questions about the documents that you upload. So from this is the Darfera interface, and from the interface on the sidebar you could see some buttons: upload documents, my documents. So for uploading of documents, so you click the upload documents button and then you will be able to drag and drop your files. And after that, the Darfera AI will upload the document and then understand the content of the document, and you can then proceed to ask the Darfera AI questions about the document, and then it can give you insights on those documents. So from the sidebar as well, you can see a part where you get to see my documents. So these are the previous documents that I have uploaded on Darfera AI, and from all of these documents, I can actually ask questions from them, and then Darfera AI will then give me my answers instantly. So one good thing about Darfera AI is the fact that it is also multilingual, so you can upload a document in English and ask your questions in French, Spanish, or any other language. So I'm just going to go to the interface where I get to ask questions. So just like I shared earlier, I have shown you the document that I have uploaded to Darfera. So now I want to ask basic questions from those documents. And as you can see, once I ask the question, Darfera AI replies me with answer from that particular document. All right, so this is a question about Tech Nigeria, and then so based on this is the question I asked, and then it's able to give me the summary of what the project is all about, which is what is being highlighted here. So I can just, instead of me reading like 50 pages of documents, so I can just ask a simple question like, what are the major features of Tech Nigeria, and then it gives me the main features of the project, of which I have initially uploaded the documents for. So and this is how Darfera AI intelligence operates.